American Eagle driver this afternoon is Captain Alan Green, call sign Gang. You put two and two together. From your Oregon Air National Guard. Now, folks, if you've looked off to your right, you'll see that a aircraft has taxied out onto the runway. We understand this is a Russian airplane known as the Sukhoi Su-29. While we know that F-15 Eagles and Su-29s don't mix very well, so I think our crew from the Oregon Air National Guard are going to chase this little airplane away. I don't know, folks, you think that Russian airplane got the message? You know, folks, the F-15EX carries more payload than any other fighter, including the unique ability to accommodate up to 12 AMRAAMs, or an equivalent mix of large ordnance. With a massive payload capacity of over 29,000 pounds, it delivers affordable massed effects at extended ranges to counter rapidly evolving threats. Now here's some stats on the F-15EX, or what I like to call KFFs, or Ken Fun Facts. The maximum speed of the F-15EX, Mach 2.5. Has a ceiling of 50,000 feet, and as I mentioned, a payload of over 29,000 pounds. Has a G limit of +9 Gs and a rate of climb, get this folks, 50,000 feet per minute. Here they come from the right, chasing this little Russian airplane away. Well, folks, we understand that the pilot of that Russian airplane has gotten the message, and that's why we've cleared those F-15s out of the aerobatic box. Let's give a big round of applause for your Oregon Air National Guard.